sisi kama wananchi, we don't expect anything positive from our president because he has never fulfilled any promise in the last 2 years. So we are not expecting anything positive. We are expecting lies after lies, and if we are lying, if what we are saying is a false, then we want Mr. President to tell us where the pampers he promised our mothers are, the good education, bottom-up economic model, all those promises, the stadia, the improvement, we have never seen. So we don't expect anything positive from our president. 2, I want to address other 2 sectors. 1, the church. The way you have complained and you said you are returning the money, we want you to come and also confess your sins. Tell us the much you received before the recent events. We want to know all those things you have done since you went in bed with this government. 3, when I was in primary school, I was taught science, and I learned about types of animals and their characteristics. One of the types of categories of animals I learned about was amphibians. Amphibians are either on land or in water. And this statement goes to Raila Amolo Odinga. You can't be in an opposition and be in the government. Choose one. You can't be an amphibian. We used to see you exposing government corrupt officials. Nowadays you are quiet. I'm giving free advice to Mr. President. I'm advising you, and with this advice is not for free. I think you should pay me. We want you to break the record. There you have been breaking other records. You are the first president who was a chicken seller, and now you are the president. You beat all the odds against the system until you became president. I'm giving you a free advice. Break another record, please, Mr. President. Don't vie for presidency 2027. Step aside. Leave that seat. Make the history that you are the first term president who went for 1 term and never even thought of repeating to be in that seat. There are other Kenyans who are ready to lead this country and to make our nation feel better. Thank you very much.